Yeah, good Tuesday morning. Let's talk about some of these storms coming our way for tonight. Most of the daylight hours today will be dry. Quite a bit of cloud cover around, but a very warm and somewhat breezy day ahead for us. Storms will arrive into the region after sunset later on tonight. Some of those storms will likely be strong as they're moving into the region. They're in and out pretty quickly, but then looking ahead to Wednesday, we get on the backside of the storm system, some cooler air getting wrapped in, and with that also some lingering showers through much of the day on Wednesday. We mentioned it yesterday. All of the rain this week is focused in the first half of the week. By Thursday, by Friday, and into the first part of the weekend, expecting some much nicer and drier weather to return back into our region. Compared to this time yesterday morning, well, temperatures this morning are running anywhere from about 15 to nearly 25 degrees warmer than we were yesterday morning. Puts most of us back into the upper 50s and low 60s as you step out the door. Right now, 60 in Mount Vernon, 58 in Marion, 60 in Paducah. To the south, Union City, Tennessee at 59, while Sikeston is currently at 63 degrees. Live view out of Harrisburg, looking back into the western sky, and you could see some of the lights maybe shimmering off some of the low clouds. We have had quite a bit of low cloud cover moving through the overnight hours. Actually been tracking a couple light showers moving through parts of New Madrid County, just to the south there of East Prairie, and actually just now to the east of New Madrid. We'll be crossing the Mississippi River into western Kentucky here shortly. Most areas, though, again, going to miss out on the rain here at least through the morning hours. Big time storm system, though, moving into the upper Midwest, and with that, lots of showers and storms back into the parts of the Dakotas, Minnesota, and the cold front draped out across the plains. That is the cold front that will bring us the storm chances coming up later on today. 3 p.m. Notice most of us are still dry. Small chance for a couple isolated showers, primarily west of the Mississippi River. A little more instability in the atmosphere this afternoon in some of our western counties. So if we see any storms during the daylight hours, will likely be across parts of southeast Missouri. Let's turn our attention to late tonight. This is about 11 p.m. Line of storms approaching from the north and west. Pretty intense storms as they approach the region, but I want you to pay attention here as this line sweeps on through. It does lose intensity quickly. Still likely dealing with some lingering showers, though, by 4 a.m. But the time frame for severe storms will likely be anywhere from about 8 p.m. upwards of about 1 a.m. and then it really comes to an end. Cold front sweeps through. We get on the backside of the storm system. And by Wednesday afternoon, still dealing with some lingering showers. Finally, by Wednesday night, things starting to quiet back down just a bit. But the Storm Prediction Center also picking up on that weakening trend as the line approaches the region. So some of our western counties, southwest Illinois, southeast Missouri, and a level 2 further to the east, especially east of I-57 and then southward into western Kentucky, a level 1 in some of those areas. Again, we call that a marginal risk. Main threats with some of the storms will likely be damaging winds. Could see some storms with some small hail. And of course, storms could also produce some very, very heavy rainfall. Not everybody's going to see heavy rain out of the system, but where the strongest storms do track, we could see some pockets of more than an inch and a possibility of at least some localized flash flooding. 20% chance for a shower or two. Again, stray shower this afternoon, primarily west of the Mississippi River. Otherwise, we're in the mid to upper 70s today. This evening, those storm chances ramping up, about a 40% chance at 9 p.m. and about an 80% chance by midnight. So a lot of these storms will be focused pretty late tonight. Cooler on Wednesday with some showers lingering around and pretty nice by the end of the week. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, temperatures gradually warming. By Saturday, we're back up to about 80. However, the second half of the weekend features better chances for some showers and storms, and those shower chances linger into the early part of next week.